Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to TubeBuddy for YouTube SEO and ranking insights, complete guide step by step clearly. Go to the official TubeBuddy website. Click on the Get TubeBuddy button on the home page. You will be directed to the pricing page. Review the different subscription plans available. Select the plan that best suits your needs. After choosing a plan, click on the Install Free or Join Now button. You will be prompted to sign in with your YouTube account. Authorize TubeBuddy to access your YouTube channel. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, return to the TubeBuddy dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various features offered. Explore tools like keyword research, SEO suggestions, and ranking insights. Utilize the free trial period to test the full range of features. After testing, decide if you would like to continue with a paid subscription. Confirm your subscription and enjoy enhanced YouTube SEO tools. Regularly check updates and new features to make the most of your subscription. Now you're ready to optimize your YouTube presence with TubeBuddy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.